big news day in the stock market yesterday. Good morning, investors. Welcome to your morning report. There's a lot to cover today, so let's just get through this. Due to the trade seesaw with China and stocks fell down yesterday, there's a lot of uncertainty there. And due to that, everything's been going down. The S&P 500 fell 0.6%, the Dow fell 0.7%, and the NASDAQ 0.9%. So again, things are a little shaky right now, and it's because of that trade war. But let's roll through some of the company news. The big earnings report yesterday to watch out for was Tesla, and they released it, and they missed it. And the stock has been going down. It's down 3.58% right now. It's the time I'm recording this in pre-market. But let's go through the numbers a little bit here. For the quarter, Tesla reported $28.01 billion versus the expected $26.72 billion. So they did pass their earnings per Bloomberg, a 12% jump from the $25.18 billion reported a year ago today. That's good news. Tesla posted an adjusted earnings per share of 0.5 versus 0.45, translating to an EBITDA of 4.23 billion versus the expected 3.78 billion. Operating profit fell 40% to 1.624 billion from a year ago. And then the added cherry on top of all of this, which is why it's probably going down, is the fact that the EV benefit is now over. There was an EV benefit in the US that stopped at the end of September. So there's no longer that. Rolling through to the AI news, because there's a lot to cover in that front. AI news has been very bullish recently, as we all know. And with the partnership with Walmart and OpenAI, seeing it to go more into utility. And people have been still not sure about if the bubble's about to burst or not. Meta, however, is going to be letting go of 600 AI jobs within the company, and that's going to be a huge part of their AI division. For that reason, people are still a little skeptical on where the market's going to head with the AI. AI stocks have been kind of stagnant over the last week or so, and it's because the market hasn't come to a complete verdict yet. However, something they have come to a verdict is the meme stocks. Meme stocks are apparently back for the first time since 2021. As I'm reading here, Wednesday saw a big spike in a lot of stocks that would be considered meme. And one of them was Beyond Meat, which is kind of interesting to see how that's going to play out. This is the most volatile we've seen meme stocks since 2021. So people are on the edge of their seat waiting to see what happens here. And as you know, I will keep you up to date on that. But again, today is another huge earnings day release. So after the market today, we are going to be seeing earnings from companies like Ford, T-Mobile, Tractor Supply, and American Airlines. We're also going to get a Kansas City manufacturing activity index, which was going to play a big